Good evening, Professor Nystrom. This is Michael Decker from your ET716 class. Now, I'm going to be showing you the Animal Voices Java program that we had to make, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Right. So the first thing I need to show you is the strings file. Okay. So for the strings file, I have we have the standard string applet that comes with it, and then I added in 4 more strings. The first string is called splash screen, and it's going to say animal voices. The second string is going to be called button text, and it's going to say play animal voice. Then we have another string called cow text, and then we're going to put after that it's going to have a value of cow picture. And over here we have a string named pig text, and we're going to have a value of pig picture. Now the reason for this is because I needed it to this is a content description for the images. Essentially what that is, the content description for the images. Alright, and right. So those are the content descriptions for the images. But it demands that we have the content description for the images. But it's not a problem. Right. Now I have the splash screen here, and I inserted a text view with a text of @string/splash screen, and then I put the text code in black, I bolded it, and then I put it in center, and I put the text size to 60 SP. Then I set the text background by typing in over here background, and it says add drawable/farm, right? And that's all that there was for the splash screen setup. Then we had to go to the splash screen Java, and from there we did a timer task equals blank whatever, and then finish and start activity new intent whatever. This basically means, hey, we're gonna end this, and then we're gonna go to this activity here, to the main activity, and it's gonna give this timer an opening timer of 5,000 milliseconds, which is 5 seconds. And then we had to go to the Android manifests, and basically I just took the intent filters, right, from inside this area, and I controlled X, which means to cut it, and I pasted it over here into this area, right? We can just get the Android manifest out the way. Then we had to go to the activity main, and I set the activity main by inserting the image cow, and I inserted the image pig, right? The image pig, right? And then I inserted the 2 buttons, and I gave this one a button cow, and I gave this one a button pig, right? And for the main activity Java, this is where all the coding is at. So this set over here is just basically defining the buttons, giving them attributes and stuff. Like, hey, we're linking this button to the button cow, linking the second button to the button pig. And over here is a button where we're creating 2 variables for this button area. We're saying, hey, these 2 variables are buttons. And then we created a media player, and we created these 2 variables to the media player, and then we created an int plane, which we're going to use for the switch cases. Okay, then over here, we set the plane to 0. We did a media player create and everything. So, basically saying, hey, this is going to play that sound. And this is going to play that sound. Right? Next up, we have the button on click. Beat down you've been also listening. So this is for the cow sounds. It's basically saying, hey, for the case of 0, we're going to start the sound of MP cow. Then we're going to set playing to 1, and we're going to set a button text to stop animal sound. So basically, that's going to change this text from play animal voice to stop animal sound. I should probably change that to voice actually, because the others say voice. I'm gonna change that to voices real quick. Yeah. Sorry, my head's all over the place. I had a crazy day. And then case 1 is gonna say, hey, we're gonna pause MP cow. We're gonna set the playing equal to 0, and then we're gonna set the button text to play animal voice. All right, and then we just repeated that over for the B pig. we changed it to pig, and we changed the button too, and we changed that to be pig, and that's basically for the pig sounds. Right now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to click build, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds to build. I don't know why my computer takes this time sometimes. But yeah, it's building, and then okay, it's finished. Great. Now we can click run. I'm just gonna click volume all the way up. There we go. Great. So now building. Here we go. Oh, it missed splash screen. Wait, hold on. Well, I'll pull that back for you. Animal voices. Splash screen. Takes 5 seconds, and then it goes to the animal voices. Perfect. Now watch. And it plays the cow. Now if you stop it, stops the cow voice. Now if we go for the pig, plays the squealing pig sound. Stop. It stops the pig sound. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, I hope you have a good day, Professor Nystrom, and thank you for watching.